Welcome to today's Vitis video. We'll visit the island of Lanzarote, where land once devastated by volcanic eruptions has now become a paradise for grape cultivation and unique wine production. But that's not all. We'll also explore the process of growing and processing raisin. Let's begin this exciting journey together. Lanzarote, a small volcanic island off the coast of Spain, was devastated by eruptions in the 18th century, leaving the land barren and uninhabitable. However, the mineral-rich volcanic ash gradually turned the island into fertile land, ideal for agriculture. Today, Lanzarote is famous for its unique wines grown on volcanic soil. The distinctive climate, with minimal rainfall and harsh weather conditions, creates ideal conditions for grape growth, making this one of the world's most distinctive wine-producing regions. Growing grapes on volcanic soil is not an easy task. The first step in this challenging process is preparing the land, and on Lanzarote Island, this means digging deep holes into the black volcanic ground. These holes help protect the vines from the strong winds that frequently sweep across the island. Once the holes are dug, farmers plant the grape beans deep into the fertile soil. The volcanic black soil on the surface, though lacking in nutrients, plays an essential role in cultivation. Its porous nature allows it to retain moisture from the scarce rainfall and early morning dew, providing the vines with the necessary water to survive. To further protect the vines, farmers build walls around each hole using stones from volcanic lava. These walls play a crucial role by preventing strong winds from blowing more sand into the holes. This traditional farming method is very labor-intensive, as every stage of planting and caring for the vines is done by hand, making it a task that requires patience, dedication, and a deep understanding of the land. Over time, when the grape clusters have ripened to perfection and the grapes have reached an ideal level of sweetness and a perfectly balanced acidity, they become exceptionally suited for producing high-quality wine. This unique combination of outward appearance and internal ripeness contributes to the complex and refined flavors that are highly sought after in the region's premium wines. When it's time to harvest, the entire process is done by hand. The vineyards lie on rugged volcanic terrain, inaccessible to modern machinery, so farmers must walk through each row of vines, carefully picking each cluster of grapes. The harvest requires precision and skill, as any slight mishandling can damage the grapes, directly affecting the wine's quality. Every grape cluster is carefully selected to ensure that only the finest grapes are taken for processing, ensuring that every drop of wine is the pure essence of this special grape variety. After the grapes are harvested, they are transported to local wineries. Each year, Lanzarote's vineyards produce about 2 million kilograms of grapes, an impressive number considering the harsh climate and labor-intensive farming methods. Although the yield is not as high as in other wine-growing regions, the quality of the grapes here is highly regarded due to volcanic soil and dry environment. The grapes are then sun-dried for about 7 to 14 days, a process that helps dehydrate the grapes, concentrating their sugars and flavors. This results in wines with richer, sweeter, and more intense flavors. The process of making volcanic wine begins with the grapes being pressed to separate the juice from the skins and seeds. The juice is then collected into containers to start the fermentation process, where the natural yeast from the grapes transforms the sugars into alcohol. This process is carefully monitored to preserve the distinct flavors that reflect the volcanic minerals and the harsh climate of Lanzarote. After fermentation, the wine is transferred into oak barrels for aging, allowing the development of subtle flavors. The wine is then filtered, bottled, and sealed. Each bottle is the result of the hard work and dedication of the farmers, embodying the essence of this unique land. Over time, when the grape clusters have ripened to perfection and the grapes have reached an ideal level of sweetness and a perfectly balanced acidity, they become exceptionally suited for producing high-quality wine. This unique combination of outward appearance and internal ripeness contributes to the complex and refined flavors that are highly sought after in the region's premium wines. Volcanic wine is renowned for its mineral complexity, with a taste unlike any other wine in the world. Grapes grown under Lanzarote's harsh conditions produce wines that are both powerful and delicate, with flavors that linger long after each sip. The combination of natural elements and human effort creates a product that is not only delicious, but also a testament to the resilience of both the land and the people who cultivate it. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue to explore fascinating aspects of farming and agriculture. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Hello, my friends. Today we are visiting a seedless grape farm in the beautiful state of California, USA. In this video, we'll take you through the fascinating process of harvesting and processing thousands of tons of raisins. Have you ever tasted California raisins? Share your thoughts on their flavor with us. Natural seedless raisins are among the most popular on the market today, accounting for nearly